Hi guys, today we're going to learn how to draw this cute unicorn by just using a letter C and the number 7 and the number 1. Let's get into it. So first we start out by drawing our letter C. Now we're going to draw a number 1. And then a number 7. Now give this unicorn some little cute arms. Now let's draw its pointy cute horn. And we can also draw her precious and cute mane. We're gonna give her a wing. This will make her fly, and then she will be magical. Now let's draw her eyes and face. Give her a cute little beady black eye. Now let's color. I'm gonna give her rainbow hair. I also drew some stars for decoration. And there we go. There's our beautiful and cute unicorn. Now we're just gonna color in the stars, and there we go. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.